we are looking at how to pronounce these words from French. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing French vocabulary and names like this one many struggle with, so stay tuned to the channel. So this is French for a dreamer, somebody who dreams, a female dreamer actually. In French, for reference, in France it's said as rêveuse, rêveuse. So I know it's not easy for non-French speakers. Rêveuse, you can say it as rêveuse if you do not speak perfectly French, but if you do not, stay tuned, I've got videos to learn more. Rêveuse is how you pronounce it. Did you get it? Can you pronounce it? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support, it helps. Merci. And more videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.